Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily crop a video on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Photos app. You can get into albums and select some album first. I'm just gonna open up my video album, and on that step you need to select the video that you want to crop and then just hit on that. Then tap at Edit and then hit at this crop icon. Now you can drag these handles and crop this video vertically or horizontally. In that way, once you have selected custom resolution for that video, you can also pinch it to scale. Also, you can tap at that squares icon and select some resolution from suggested. You can select original, then freeform, square, wallpaper, 9x16, 4x5, 5x7, and some other resolutions. Also, you can change orientation from vertical to horizontal. Once you're finished with cropping, just don't forget to hit at Done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.